Finding the best gas credit card in Canada could feel like a maze of options, but it doesn't have to be a headache. I've dug through the latest information and here's my honest take on the top contenders. First, CIBC Dividend Visa Infinite. This card takes the gold for its incredible cashback rewards. You'll earn a whooping 4% back on gas, EV charging, and groceries, plus 2% on dining, transit, and recurring bills. It is a powerhouse for everyday spending. Second, Amex Simply Cash Preferred. If you're looking for a solid cashback card with no income requirement, the Amex Simply Cash Preferred is a strong contender. It offers 4% back on gas and groceries and 2% on everything else. Third, Money Back MasterCard. For those who want no annual fee and the flexibility to choose their bonus categories, the Tangerine Money Back MasterCard is a great option. You can earn 2% cash back on up to three categories, including that. While the CIBC Dividend Visa Infinite is a top contender for its high cashback rates, it is not for everyone. Its high income requirement might be a barrier for some. The Amex Simply Cash Preferred is a great alternative with no income requirement, but its acceptance isn't as widespread as Visa or MasterCard. The Tangerine Money Back MasterCard is a solid choice for those who want no annual fee and the flexibility to choose their bonus category. That is why, do your research, compare cards, and choose the one that offers the most value for your money.